Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello. In today's video, I'm going to be using my Coastal Scents single eyeshadows. I put them in my ColourPop empty palette, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with this nude shade called Chamois Nude. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm going to put that all over my crease, my lid, and up to my eyebrow. That's going to be my transition shade. And this shade is close to my skin color, which I like. Next, I'm going to be getting this shade called Bronze Peach. And this one, I'm going to be putting it in my crease. And I'm only putting it in my crease. I don't want to put it anywhere else. And then I'm going to be grabbing this green one called Vibrant Lime Green, and I'm going to be putting this in my crease as well. And I'm using a smaller flat brush because I only want this in my crease, and I'm going to be doing a green eyeshadow, so that's why I'm starting with the green. And now I'm grabbing a darker green in the shade called Olive, and I'm using a pencil brush because I only want this on my crease and I don't want it to go over any other colors that I added, so that's why I'm using a pencil brush, and that's going to be the final color in our crease. Now I'm grabbing the same brush before with the transition shade, and I'm just going to be blending that out. Now on the lid, I'm going to be grabbing this shimmery shade called Lakeshore, sorry, and I'm going to be putting this all over my lid. For some reason, I thought it was going to be more pigmented, but it wasn't, but it was still really pretty. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Mega Slim Skinny Tip eyeliner by Wet n Wild. I love this eyeliner. The tip of this eyeliner is so small and it makes the eyeliner so precise. I do recommend this to you guys. And I normally use this when I want to make a thin eyeliner, because sometimes I'm looking for a thick eyeliner or a thin eyeliner, and today I felt like doing a thin one, so that's why I use this one. And it's pretty affordable. I forgot how much I bought it for, but yeah, it's a really good eyeliner. And then I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. I'm going to be using my concealer. I think I used the Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be putting that all underneath the wing. And I'm going to be I usually oh my god, I can't talk today. I usually blend it downward so it won't mess up the wing, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I do set it with a translucent powder. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using my Lash Me Up eyelashes in the style Innocence. These eyelashes are really pretty. They're not too big and not too small, just the perfect size. And I thought it went perfect with this look. Now I'm going to be smoking on my bottom lash. I'm just going to be using those I'm going to be using the two green shades that I added to my crease on my lower lash, and I'm just going to do that until I find the darkness that I want, which was pretty easy to achieve because since I did mix them and one of them is darker than the other one, it was pretty easy. And that's pretty much all I put in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be adding my Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte in my waterline. I also used it to tightline as well, but this eyeliner is really good. It doesn't budge and it doesn't move from anywhere. I have problems with the eyeliner running down my eyebrow. This one, that doesn't happen, and it lasts all day. I love this eyeliner. Then for lashes, I'm going to be using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'm just going to be using that to blend my fake lashes with my real lashes. And I also used it to coat my bottom lashes. One of my favorite mascaras of all time. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using my Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to be using that in my inner corner, my brow bone. I'm also going to use it to highlight my entire face and my Cupid's bow as well, and my nose. One of my favorite all-time drugstore highlighters. I use this literally every day. That's why it looked really beat up, because I use it every day, you guys. It's such a pretty highlighter. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Caked Makeup Lip Fondant in the shade Creme de la Creme. And this is such a pretty nudie shade. I've been using this one a lot lately, and It smells really good, by the way. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be using my Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss in the shade Duchess, and I've been using this combination for a while now. It is such a pretty combo. This lip gloss and this lipstick combined together is just so pretty. This lip gloss makes the lips look really shiny, and combined with this color, it just lightens up the lipstick and it just looks really pretty. It's like the best nude combo I've tried in a long time. And that is it for this video, you guys. This is the final look right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how this came out, and I love how I paired it with the new lips. Like I said, I love this so much. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, love you. Bye.